Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how to take a regular font, text, and give it this effect. We're going to start from scratch. I'll keep my text. And I'm going to get a 2-point line. And I'm going to hold down the control button and make a perfect line. I'm going to hit the plus key, and I'm going to move it down just the thickness of my font. So then I'm going to grab both those lines. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. And I don't want too many times. Let's go like 18 times, 19. You know what I didn't do? I got ahead of myself. I need to make this line curvy. Let's go to the Distort tool. Pick on Zipper and start adding nodes to it. We're going to do a little bit more this time. And then go over here and make them a little bit more curvy or jagged. And then take the whole thing and go right here to smooth. And look, it made us a smooth line. Now, instead of Control-Ding and try to control that, I'm just going to put the two lines and blend them. Now, you've got to go to Object and break the blend apart. And then you've got to go to Control-G to group those. Now, we made that last, so it's on top. So we're going to have to take the text and go in order and put it on the front of the page. Just make sure your text is inside that, all the line is a little bit short. You know what you could do is make this a little thicker. Now, select the whole thing and go to Intersect. And look at that. Now, let's make that line a little thicker, maybe 4 points. Maybe, you know what, 8 points. Now, we don't have to put it at an angle, but I'm going to. I think it makes it kind of show off. So I'm just going to click it. I'm just going to spin it a little bit. Now, I'm going to make a duplicate of that, Control-D, and I'm going to just move it down. And the one that I moved down, I'm going to take, and I'm going to right-click to a light gray. And then I'm going to hit apply on 19, and look at that. That's pretty cool. And you don't have to use those colors. I'm going to use that one for my video. You could make this one yellow and make this one red. I'm right-clicking because it's an outline. And select them both, and look at that. I think I'm going to have to use that one for the video icon. Anyway, just a different effect. I think it looks pretty cool because it's spatial on black. You know what, if we put this on a red, wonder what it's going to look like. We put this on a red background, object, order, backup page. Nah, not so much. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And see, I didn't blend them a lot, so you got a little bit of a jagged edge. But you could, I mean, it looks, to me, it looks like a good text effect. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea, and thank you for watching.